po.
Bakit ganito grades mo? Ang bababa. Bakit puro line of 7? Puro ka kasi bulakbol, wala ka nang ginawang tama.
Ma, tama na yan. Perma mo na lang.
Di magpirmi dito sa bahay, di mo pa rin magawa. Mag-aaral ka na nga lang na mabuti, di mo pa rin magawa.
Nandito ka na naman?
Sabi, huwag ka may.
Huwag kang maingay. Maupo ka na lang dito at tayo maglaro.
Siguro kaya ka nandito, nakagalitan ka na naman ng nanay mo.
Oo, ang baba daw kasi ng grades ko.
Hayaan mo na yun. Sige, maglaro na lang tayo.
Tara, dudurugin kita.
Good morning, class. To start our discussion, Mr. Atentar, kindly read page 19. Mr. Atentar, please read the sentence. Mr. Atentar, how can you not read that? That's so simple. Ano ba naman yan, Mr. Atentar? Ang dali-dali lang yan, di mo pa mabasa? You may sit now. Ms. Rosal, kindly read the sentence. Stand up, please.
The carbohydrates you obtain from the food you eat are broken down into small units of sugar upon digestion.
Very good. You may sit now. In the primary city called Grand City, the main export of the land production product is the steel which we get. So that's all for today. And announcement, tomorrow you will meet your new math teacher. So don't be late. Goodbye, class. Good morning, class. So this is your new subject teacher. Hello, everyone. My name is Ma'am Ashkin, and I will be your new subject teacher. So, iwanan ko na kayo ng Ma'am Ashkin na naman na magtuturo ng subject natin. Goodbye, class. Okay, class. Now, I will discuss the lesson 4 components of the cell. Mr. Adentor, please the first sentence.
The words are dancing.
Quiet, class. It's okay. You may sit down. Okay. Cell membrane or plasma membrane. Each cell has a limited boundary. The cell membrane, plasma membrane, and or the plasma layer. And now, class, bago ko pala makalimutan, magkakaroon ng program ang ating school at kailangan nyo sumali lahat. Saan ko ang pagsali ninyo? Pwede ka po Miss Marsala. Pwede ko ba humihin yung mga dating record ni Mr. Allen?
Yes? Why do you need it?
Titignan ko ba? So, pwede ba siyang isupport every weekend?
Pwede naman.
That would be great. That's my name. Ito, basahin. The variety of cell shapes seen in prokaryotes and eukaryotes has. Okay, Mr. Atentar, read the next sentence.
The extensions help balance cell fast chemical and electrical messages quickly through the body.
Okay, very good, Mr. Atentar. You may sit. Okay, that's all for today. Mr. Atentar, I expect you to attend the program.
So I have the result of the competition. And the winner is Mr. Atentar.